Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to add contacts to your group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Select a group which you want to add contact. Press on three dots which shown on top right. Click on Group Settings. Scroll down till we get Added Members. Press on members which you want to add it to a group like this. Press on Done. You will get message added 7 members to India group. Press Add. You will get message 7 invitations sent. These users can be automatically added to this group by you. They have been invited to join the group and won't see any group message until they accept. Press OK. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.